Well, hello everyone. What's good? 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 How's the quality of the stream? Is the quality of the stream good, chat? Why do I feel like the quality is bad? I should be able to stream at 4K. I should be able to, hold on, chat. Why is the streaming quality good, chat? Is the streaming quality good? I need to know right now. Immediately. I don't got time to fuck around. It's good? Okay. Is it good, but is it great? It might be good, but is it great? That is my question. Let me check through my phone. Because y'all motherfuckers be lying to me. Y'all motherfuckers be lying to me just to make me feel good. Where's my PC? Where's my computer? Let me see. Cause y'all be saying, yo bar, the stream quality is so good, and then I'll go watch the video back and it looks like I'm watching Minecraft. Just give me a sec here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I guess it's good, right? Yeah, the stream quality is good. Okay, that works, chat. Fucking hell, that was hard. Might have fucked my computer up. Shit. Alright, we're good. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another live trading day. Welcome back, boys. Glad to have you all here. Today is another beautiful day here at QTC Factory, and we have another beautiful compensation play, motherfuckers. So, we are literally just gonna enter this position right here very soon. So let me just draw this shit up. Hold on. Hopefully you guys have got an account from Next Level Funded. If you haven't, link in bio for that. 35% off your first account if you use code BD35. So you can trade with me. Where's the okay, we got it. Boom. Chat. Already, listen, I started stream like 5 minutes ago and we already almost got a position. The market seems to be playing with us today. The market seems to be in good spirits today. So let's hope we can rinse it of some cash. Let me notify that. Wait, somebody added me? Who's this, man? Anyways, let me update the IG that I'm live, so they don't miss out on this crazy live stream. All right, everybody. I am currently live streaming on YouTube, live streaming trading. So come and trade with me. Come make some money with me. Let's fucking get it. Oh my days, why am I zoomed in? Let's fucking get it. We're gonna make some money today. I am on YouTube, live streaming trading. So come and trade with me. Let's fucking get it. Oh my days, why am I zoomed in? Let's fucking get it. We're gonna make some money today. On YouTube right now. Boom. 3 exclamation marks. Not exclamation. What's that? What is it called in English? What's the symbol that means you're screaming? The line with the dot below. What's that called in English? Is it exclamation mark? I think it's exclamation mark. Question. Yeah, it's exclamation mark because question mark is the question. True. Sorry guys, I'm sorry for being retarded. Let me, I am on YouTube, live streaming trading, so come and trade with me. Let's fucking get it. Oh my days, why am I zoomed in? Let's fucking get it. All right. The Instagram has been updated. Everything is updated, so we're good to go. We're good to hop on the charts and start trading. All right, boys. So, anything you guys are looking to grab, let me know, because I'm gonna be doing a top-down analysis on pretty much all the pairs. So on gold, look at this beautiful prediction. Oh my days! Oof, look at this beautiful prediction on gold. Oh, Martinelli. Look at this beautiful prediction on gold, chat. This was a prediction. Oh my days, I lost the chat. This was a prediction that I made I made this prediction on the Next Level Funded YouTube channel live stream. So if you guys were there, congratulations. But beautiful decision, position, play. Amazing. Congratulations to anybody who caught that. Could have also caught the compensation play coming down with the Omar entry. If you guys did that, congratulations as well. But yeah, let me do some other forms of analysis today. Let's see. Oh, Martinelli. Look at that. Look at that UJ prediction as well. Beautiful rejection right off that decision area. Man, it's when you have the playbook, when you have the no-wick playbook, when you have the no-wick strategy, it's too easy. It's literally too easy. Every single prediction is on point. It's almost like you can see the future. And then GPUSD, nothing really happening on GPUSD. Do we have a compensation play? Oop. Is that hourly as well? Okay, no, all right, chat. Look, we got two possible positions we can take here. We got two possible beautiful positions we can take here. So this GU position is looking real nice. Let's hope the 15 can close. It just opened, so there's a chance we flip here. But if we don't flip, we're going to grab this compensation. We're going to grab this sell right here. Your strategy aligned to price action? Yes, it does. Let me see. Look at the daily on gold. All right, so the daily is looking mad bearish right now. Again, we are in a downtrend on the daily. As you guys see right here, you are currently trending downwards with the daily consistently making lower lows, lower highs right here. So you have a lower high, lower low right there, and then you have a lower high, another lower low. So now you're creating that lower low again, filling the previous daily wick, and then I'm probably expecting some sort of lower high to then fill the range down all the way. I do think you're going to push all the way down to 3050s, right? So expecting the daily to come slightly up tomorrow. Today, I'm thinking we might fill this wick down. So I'm still very bearish on the daily. Let's see what lower time frame. Perfect. Ooh, perfect, chat. Perfect. Okay, so we have a void position. So we have a void position, which means we have a void right here. Boom. Do we have news? No, we don't have news, right? We don't have news, chat. How to access your mentorship? Do you mean mentorship, playbook, or signals? Because I have different things that I offer to people. I'm fucking retarded. I accidentally linked my YouTube channel in the announcements. I didn't even link the video, dude. Shit. You join the Discord, and on the Discord you have different channels where you can access the playbook, the signals, and the mentorship, whatever you want. Or you can just DM me as well. Yo, what's up, Snapped? How you doing, bro? Okay, hold on, Chad. Let me just link the video because I linked my YouTube channel. Man, I'm getting old, bro. I'm getting old. I turned 22. Turned 22 last week, chat. It's already getting old. God damn it. Okay, let me do this. Boom. All right. So, like I said, the daily is looking to tap into this area right here, which is a void. So right here we have an imbalance. It hasn't got tapped by either side. So I'm thinking the daily, or not the daily, the 15 is going to come up, start tapping this area, and once we see a break out of this range, so what I want to see on gold is I want to see a tap into this area and then a closure below this area, and that's going to be a confirmation for a sell down all the way to 3,300. Reason for that, 3,100. Reason for that is because the daily is looking mad bearish, and the 4 hour is also looking mad bearish. Like I said, guys, the 4 hour tapped perfectly into that zone that we marked up on the other chart right here. Look at that, 4 hour tapped perfectly into that zone right there, which is the decision area, and then we dumped after that. So expecting the same to happen on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Like I said, boom. So right now, just filling the range up, filling this imbalance that we have. Once we fill this imbalance, I do think we're going to see some sort of rejection happening. Let me see where we're going to tap into. Yeah, I think this area is a really good area to sell, guys, on gold. But you do need to see rejection. So again, what I'm going to say is a push up, some sort of consolidation, boom, maybe a liquidity grab, and then a closure below and the retest. That's going to be your entry right there, chat, to come down all the way to 3,138 to 3,120. So that's my prediction on gold currently. So we'll mark that up, something like this. Boom. On USD JPY, we currently have nothing rejected off of the zone. So I'm thinking price action is going to keep coming bullish all the way up to around 146.8. That was my prediction from yesterday. That prediction is still holding up pretty nicely. So I'm just thinking bullish price action from USD JPY. And gold right now, no, AD right now is having a comp play. Unfortunately, we're coming down like crazy. And the GPUSD also has a, oh, did we flip? No, we haven't flipped yet. Okay, so potential, in 9 minutes, we have a potential position. In 9 minutes, we have a potential position on GBPUSD as well. Gold up to 31.85, then push down again, maybe 31.85, 31.85, 35. Yep, exactly. That's my prediction. I have it a little higher than 31.85. I have it around 31.95. That's kind of my prediction. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking on gold. And on GBPUSD, I'm just thinking a compensation play, and on AUDUSD, I'm also thinking a compensation play. So yeah, those are my predictions on the pairs, guys. Now we just wait for the position patiently. No rush, no nothing like that. I started streaming from OBS instead of Streamlabs, and it's been working really nicely, chat. It's much better for some reason. I like it much more. OBS it's just better for my computer. Is this enough YouTube playlist to understand your strategy? If yes, I have, guys. Yo, let me tell you guys something. Let me tell you guys why nobody's profitable. All right, let me tell you guys why nobody in this space is freaking profitable. Because people cannot stick to one single thing. People cannot stick. It's impossible. It's like they have some sort of brain issue. Listen. All right, you guys know I dropped a free bootcamp on my YouTube video. I'm gonna prove this to y'all. I dropped a free bootcamp. I dropped a free course on my YouTube video teaching you guys how to trade. Literally, I get nothing from it. I did it just from the goodness of my heart. So let me show you guys how that played out. All right. So if you go to my YouTube channel right here, you go to Know It Bootcamp 2025. Every single video is not out yet. And then look at this. Look at this. First video, 1,000 views. First video got 1,000 views. The video after that, 800. The video after that, 500, then 200, then 200, then 200, then 99, then 100, then 97, then 44, then 70. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Right? It started with 1,000 people. 1,000 people started on the race. 1,000 people were at the starting line, right? They started. And only like 40 people made it to episode 16. The episodes are not even out. Every single episodes are not even out. Every single viewership, every single video dropped viewerships by like 50%. And that just goes to show you that nobody's dedicated. They watch the first video, they're like, oh yes, I'm gonna learn trading. They watch the first video, they're like, okay, nice. And then the second video, like, third video, fourth video, and like, this is not for me, right? And they go back to scrolling. Like, that's why nobody makes it in this industry, because people are lazy. People cannot stick to one thing unless their brain is constantly dopamine bombarded. So yeah, this is a thing that I noticed from dropping this free course, free bootcamp. It's still on my YouTube, so anybody want to watch? And I told you guys this in the first video. I say this. I'm like, if you're gonna start 100% and finish it, because if you stop halfway through, you're wasting your time, and you're the one that decided to waste your time. I didn't waste your time, so. What strategy do you trade? I have my own strategy. I still remember like 2-3 ago with your first lives, you had a glow up in everything now. WW. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, we've done a lot of things. We've come a long way. We're still not finished. We're still not even close to finished. What strategy do you trade? The no wick strategy, which is my own strategy. The free comp vid is enough to make it, right? Just learn the compensation play. Yeah, even the hairline is better now. All right, but we don't gotta lie here. I get you guys want to be kind, but come on. The hairline has not gotten better. It's just the hairline is getting worse and worse. All right, let's see if we can get the next 15 on AUDUSD to come up. We'll enter that cell right there. Let's see, GPUSD. Beautiful. Oh no, we made that top wick. Unfortunately, guys, we made a top wick on GPUSD, so we can't take that trade. We'll have to wait for AUDUSD to come up. Have to wait for AUD USD to come up. And then after AUD USD comes up, we can, let's see how the compensation algorithm is doing. Compensation algorithm is currently up 2.5k, which is nice. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. You need new mic. This one only work at some angles. Really? What? Are you guys for real? The mic should be good, chat. The mic should be good. I'll start to see your videos from now on. Yeah, man, go for it, bro. I think you'll really enjoy it. You need, yeah, when you're not close, it doesn't work as well. Shit. All right, I gotta be close to the mic then. All right. Thanks, sir. No worries, bro. I got y'all. I got y'all, guys. I got y'all. All right, gold is currently pushing up to that area that we talked about. Let's see if we can get a nice rejection off of that area. So again, what you want to see on gold is you want to see a push up, because again, you made this imbalance, right? You made this void, right? And now you want to come up, fill this void, and then see a confirmation by seeing a closure below, a retest, and then you can enter a sell off of that area right there. On AUD USD, you just flipped on the 15, so I do think you're going to tap that comp, which is really good. That's a 1 hour flip though. If you get the 1 hour comp, that's beautiful as well. So we'll see if we can get that position as well on AUD/USD. Should be pretty nice. Do you know how to wick entry trade? Only decision positions, yes. I do enter on wicks on decision areas, but other than that, no. I usually just wait for a closure or a confirmation. And I mean, technically, the no wick play is a the no wick play is kind of a wick entry, I would say, because you're entering off of a top wick. You have an algo that is using the comp play, crazy shit. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And it's still in the beta testing phase, so we're still testing it out this month. So again, it's not completely finished and not completely out. It's just testing right now, but so far it's doing fucking amazing. But yeah, we do have a compensation play algo running currently. And again, if you guys want, when this shit drops, if you guys want pre-access to that, make sure to get the playbook, because the playbook guys are the ones that are going to be prioritized. All right, let's see. The 4 hour on AUD/USD is currently in a downtrend as well, looking really nice. Oh wow, why do I have that? What's this? Okay, yeah, the daily is looking really ripe to flip. As you guys see, the daily is currently in the previous daily candle was a strong bearish candle. You made that top wick now on the daily, and you're looking to flip. So the daily is probably looking to flip and fill that range down all the way to here. So yeah, AUD/USD is looking really nice for sells. I'm going to prioritize sells here because again, you have the range, right? You're now right now in the middle of range. AUD/USD has no reason stopping right here. It should fill down all the way to this area, right? And then you see some sort of rejection here because this is a strong rejection, as you guys see. So just very strong bearish buys on AUD/USD. The DXY is also looking to come down, which is not ideal for AUD/USD, but we'll see. It's in a slight downtrend, uptrend right now. So yeah, we'll see how the DXY reacts, honestly. But technically, like technical analysis is telling me that AUD/USD is very bearish. So is gold. But gold just needs to come up and fill that imbalance right now. Holy guys, I have to take a shit so bad. Coffee, dude. Why is coffee always doing this to me? Why is coffee always doing this to me? Oh, all right. We got gold coming up. Yeah, coming down. Tapping this gold. AD is tapping a strong area right here as well. This is a pretty hefty area, but should fill the range all the way down. I don't see why it wouldn't fill the range down. Okay, GPUSD closed below. This GPUSD is looking real nice too. Real nice to come down. Unfortunately, we don't have a compensation place, so we can't enter. Again, guys, gotta stay disciplined. Even though it looks good to come down, we cannot just enter off a whim. But it does look nice to come down. Why don't I have the indicator here? That's looking real nice to come down. Hopefully, maybe this one is a compensation play. This current candle can close. We have 15 minutes for that candle, so in 15 minutes we might get a position as well. On AUDUSD, another candle close with no wick, and we flipped. So maybe we'll see some. You should probably get an Omer entry here, guys. Honestly, I might get an Omer entry here on this position. Yeah, I'm gonna get an Omer entry here, chat. So I'm gonna enter a little lower, just because of that retest as well. Why don't you use 15 minutes for entry? I do use the 15 minutes and lower for entry. Not the 5. I use the 15 probably. So yeah, yes I do. I do. Damn, we're at 64k on IG, guys. Holy shit, IG is growing like crazy. IG is growing like crazy, guys. Remove the tables. All right, gold is looking to make that nice push up to tap into this area right here. Let's see what the crabs are saying. It's been a long time since we used crabs. Okay, so the 15-minute crabs are not saying anything. Damn, I guess none of the crabs are saying anything at the moment, chat. So, okay. Okay. Yeah, AUD might be pushing down without getting that top wick. Okay, guys. Need a geo comp. It is juicy as fuck. Yeah. The geo comp is looking real nice. We have 10 minutes left and we can enter this. No imbalances above. Perfectly. Already filled imbalances right here. Already tapped that void. This is not in balance because these cancel each other out. So it's looking real nice. It's looking real nice. Hopefully we come up. Hopefully we come up here in 10 minutes. Is that 30 minute? No, that's perfect because that's not a 30-minute flip either. That's just a 5-minute or 15-minute comp. And the 30 is going to close heavily bearish as well. And the hourly is going to close heavily bearish as well. So it's looking real nice for us. AUD/USD is... What the fuck? Fuck on my screen. Alright, AUD/USD is currently pushing down. Not with the volume that I expected, but we're pushing down AUD/USD. Again, this still a valid comp, still a very valid comp. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have around 3 candles left before it's invalid. Oh, no, more. Maybe like 4 or 5 candles left before it's invalid. But I'm looking to get the Omar entry here. So I'm going to enter slightly before the compensation line. By the way, guys, if you haven't joined the Next Level Funded Discord, make sure to do so. Challenges, giveaways, everything there. So make sure to do so. GPUC is dropping. Oh my days, GPUC is dropping. Oh, this is looking so nice, chat. Chat, whenever I see a position like this, I literally get hard. Like I'm bricked up right now. I'm not even gonna cap because this shit is beautiful. Dude, the compensation does things to you, man. You guys think the compensation play is just a play? No, the compensation play is a different level. It literally goes into your soul. It grabs you by your soul. I'm gonna take this trade on my 50k funded account on Next Level Funded. My Next Level Funded 50k account. So hopefully you guys have a funded account as well, so you guys can take it with me. But 7 minutes will possibly get a very beautiful, amazing, sweet position. Was Omar live for London today, chat? Or did this motherfucker have school? Did you guys trade London? Are you still with ACG? No, I'm not with ACG. I was for like 2 months, and I was like, I want to do my own shit. ACG were good. They were paying me good as well. I'm telling you guys now, the dedication I have to this shit is different. I had a deal with ACG. They were paying me a good amount of money just to market them here and there, you know, just to name them on my Instagram. I was getting paid money to do the bare minimum for them, right? I dropped that shit to join a prop firm that started 2 months ago. A new prop firm, right? That I'm still like, haven't received a single penny from them, right? But now that prop firm, I'm ingrained in that prop firm. I'm working closely with that prop firm, and I'm a part co-owner of it, which means that now I'm literally a part of the prop firm. I'm not just working for the prop firm. I'm a part of it. I'm a co-owner. And I'm not making a single cent from them. Yet, all the money that we get, we reinvest into the business. Payouts, marketing, making sure people get the payouts on time, all that. So, no, I'm not still with ACG. I chose to go the other route. I chose to do things my own way. And that's why I'm, like, I couldn't care less about the money at the moment. I just want to make sure that this firm represents a new generation of trading, and we're doing things the right way. And we can create the best prop firm on earth. Oh, we flipped, chat. The 5-minute comp is looking real nice as well, but unfortunately we flipped on GU. Okay, AUD is coming up nicely. We can get this AUD comp as well. That's a 30-minute comp too. So be ready to enter AUD here, chat. Alright, we're about to get an entry, chat. Be ready. About to get an entry here. Alright, boys. Get ready here. If this 5 flips, I'm going to enter prematurely. Because now that's the reaction we see, and we just tapped into that. So either we enter on the 5 flip, or we enter on that line right there. One of those two. Alright, if this 5 closes like this, I'm going to enter it right off rip, because then we have a 1 hour wick fill. Be ready, boys. Be ready, boys. All right, 1 hour opened with no bottom wick. I'm gonna enter right here, chat. On AUDUSD. Gonna enter right there. Off of that comp, it's a Omar entry. It's very low Omar entry, but still an Omar entry, and we have that 1 hour wick fill that we don't want to miss. So we're entering right here, chat. Just a play straight off the playbook. Stop loss will be above this high. TP at a 121. Right there, like so. All right, we're in this, baby. We are in this. Do this as well. All right. All right. So we have the position running currently. Just accidentally entered 2 low lot size. I have a 200k account. Accidentally entered 5 lot size, but hey, it's just hopefully you guys got the signal and you guys entered. But it's a playbook play straight off the no wick playbook V2. But yeah, actually entered a 5 lot on a 200k. So we're up fucking $50. But hopefully you guys didn't do the same as me. We'll see. This should run. If we come back up, obviously if we come back to entry, I'm gonna enter another position just so we have some up to the risk that I want to risk. The good thing about the amazing thing about Next Level Funded is that we have the trading view charts on the broker, so or on the platform, which is amazing. Baby girl, let me see you do dance. Let me see you twirl. Is that your bestie? I'm a ice, but y'all like Gretzky. All right, ladies and gents, we are in. How do I see the? Maybe I should add a chat. Hold on. Boom. Display image to window. Color display capture, game capture, image, media source, scene, text, video capture. Okay, never mind. Never fucking mind. Baby girl, let me see you do dance. Let me see you twirl. Sorry guys, I haven't even looked at the Gold is coming back up. Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, gold is just tapping this area that we talked about. The area of rejection that we talked about. Let's see if we can get a closure on the 15. A nice, strong bearish closure, and that's going to be very good for us. Baby girl, let me see you do dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake your ass in the club with your homegirls. Is that your bestie? On my eyes, but the y'all like Gretzky. You said gold no wick. Oh my days, that's true. Is that 30 minutes? Oh my days. Oh my days, chat. Alright, we're gonna enter a sell on gold here very soon as well. Looks real nice. The only problem is, obviously we can't enter a sell here because stop loss is gonna be fucking insane. So we cannot enter it. It's on the 1 hour as well, so it's very nice. Oh, it's on the oh my days, chat. Oh my fucking days, chat. Oh my fucking days, chat. Alright, you know what I'm doing here? I'm gonna place a sell stop right here, chat. I'll place a sell stop right at that flip. Right at that flip, I'll place a sell stop on gold. Sell stop. That's another play for my playbook. So that's a flip play for my playbook. So I'm gonna place a stop loss or sell stop right there, chat. Let me just enter it on the funded account as well. So I'm at the sell stop at so alright, boys, just entered a sell stop on gold at that flip right there. So AUD is looking nice as well. If we come back on AD, if we come back up on ADUSD, I'm gonna enter another position. Yeah. Let me just. All right. Good to go now. Good to go now. ADUSD is up at entry. This is good. So now I'm gonna enter another position here in ADUSD. So just so I can get both a better entry and I can use my full risk, because right now I'm not using my full risk. See if gold can start flipping here after tapping this area. That's amazing because we're tapping into a strong void. And once we flip on this area after tapping the void, we should see a push down. Ideally, I'd want a bigger top wick on the 4 hour, but nonetheless, I think we're going to see that 4 hour wick fill. And this is going to be a very quick position, guys. So make sure you're fast to close. All right, boys, might get activated here. Wrong position. All right, boys, we are officially in. We're not in, but we're waiting for this sell stop to get activated. But we are in this ADUSD trade. Now let's see how these trades perform. Sorry guys, I haven't been looking at the chat. I've just been what will stop loss be? Stop loss on gold will be break of the 4-hour current 4-hour wick. But I have a question. You started challenging passing prop challenge, but you never finished it, and now you're a co-owner of the firm. Try this challenge on their account. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I might do that. What's your advice for those in struggle? Perseverance. Keep going. It's not about outperforming people. It's about outlasting people. So any struggle you're feeling right now, any feeling you're feeling now, like every feeling you're feeling right now, you want to quit. Everybody else has felt the same. Everybody else is feeling them. So if you just persevere when everybody else is quitting, you'll be ahead of them. So yeah, that's good that you're feeling bad. You should be feeling bad because that means something's wrong in your life, and it should be unlimited motivation to fix yourself. And just think that everybody else is feeling the same and they're quitting. So too bad for them, but you're gonna keep going. That's where you'll be ahead of them. All right, AUD/USD 15 minute about to close very soon. Now we just let these run, baby. Just let these run. The algorithm also caught the trade, so the algorithm is also doing pretty good. Real nice. You see, the strategy is working on all fronts. I'm working the strategy, the boys are working the strategy, the algorithm is working the strategy. All right, we're about to get activated here on gold very, very soon. Again, we don't want the 15 to close. If the 15 closes, that'll be a compensation play to the upside. We don't want that. See, the 15 is about to flip here, chat. Last minute. Again, we have 1 minute. If we close with no bottom wick in 1 minute, we'll delete the sell stop because then that'll be a compensation play against us on the 15. Even though it's a 4-hour flip, the compensation play is just too strong to play against. All right, there's a flip. All right, we're activated here, guys. Activated here on gold. Let's see if we can see a wick fill on the 4-hour. That'd be great. Risking 1% on this trade, so we'll close at 1% loss. Now we just let this run. Whatever happens, happens, guys. Again, we stay stoic. I'm ready for stop loss. I'm ready for TP. We just entered a position and we follow the playbook, and that's all that matters. Now we just wait and see. ADUSD is coming up, back up, which is nice. So I might enter another position, ADUSD. All right, 5 minutes broke structure to the downside, which is nice. 15 minute, that's a nice 15-minute closure. Very bearish 15-minute closure. All right, now we just wait and see. See if we can re-break the lows here. That'd be great. That'd be great. Gold reflipped, but the 5 just broke structure to the downside. So what the 5 is looking to do probably is just create that lower high, right? So you create that lower low by closing below. You're probably going to make that lower high. So we'll see a bit of drawdown, and then you should see a continuation down. Just because the 15, look how nicely the 15 closed as well. So the 15 should see a flip after filling a bit of this wick. So I'm not too worried. The 4-hour wick fill should be is a pretty strong concept. So the 4-hour wick should get filled here. Yeah, we just need to break past these lows on the 5 and we'll be good to go. All right, broke past the 5 lows. If we get a bearish 5 closure, that'd be good. All right, 1K profit. Should be pretty nice. All right, that 1.5K. All right, I'm 1.7% profit. That's almost TP here. I'm gonna close full here, guys. There you go. That's 1.8K profit. That's around 70. What did I get? 78 pips. So that's around 1.8% profit today on that quick trade. Beautiful, beautiful push down on gold. Like I said, that's just a play from the playbook. Playbook never fails. Too easy, boys. Let me go to the toilet real quick. I'll be back in 1 sec. Beautiful, boys. Beautiful. That's the gold position. Now we have another position running, which is AUD/USD. So AUD/USD is coming up currently. Gonna tap into that comp very soon. So I might enter another position here very soon on AUD/USD as well. But yeah, beautiful position on gold at least. Literally took like 1 second to play out. Yeah, that's how it works when you have the playbook. That's how it works when you have the playbook. I ate, the signals ate, you guys ate in chat that were on stream. Beautiful. Let's see here. So we have this AUD/USD comp getting tapped very soon. Like so. We do have a rounded bottom on the 5, which is not ideal, but shouldn't be an issue. We still have a downtrend on the 30 and the hourly, so as long as we follow that downtrend, we're good. The 5 minutes shouldn't be an issue. Let's see, what is chat saying? I haven't looked at chat at all. Explain in 30 seconds why you took this trade. I don't even need 30 seconds. I need like 2. It's a play from my playbook. That's how simple. I have a system. I have a playbook. If the chart matches the playbook, I take the play. If it doesn't, I don't take a trade. It's that simple. They don't have to analyze. They don't have to anything. Just spot it. That's how trading should be, man. There shouldn't be like, oh, I saw this rejection and then I saw the daily and then I saw this. No, I have my entry models. I use the entry models. Boom. Khalas. Make money. Move on. You take direct entry from comp or wait for some rejection. I take direct entry from comp. So usually it's a double cross. So once you cross this line twice, you enter on the second cross right there. That's a double cross entry. Or you take an Omar entry, which is when you enter right before, which I did today. But right now it's tapping the comp, so I should see a rejection off of that comp as well. Let me see. All right, that's the original TP for the for if we took the comp. So leave it there. So we'll see once price taps there, we could do something. Oh, look at that perfect exit as well, guys. Perfect exit on gold. Beautiful. So fucking beautiful, man. The 4 hour just needed the bottom wick. Filled 50%, not 50% of the wick, but filled a small portion of the wick. Like, insane exit, chat. Insane exit. Alright, the comp just got tapped here, so I'm gonna enter another position on AUD/USD. Just so we get a better entry, and also I entered with so low risk. Scan our position there, which means that the position is okay. So now that's the entry right there. Since we entered another position. All right, perfectly tapped that comp. Let's see now. Flipped on the 5 after tapping the comp. Let's see the 5 close bearish. That should do it for us. If we close bearish on the 5, should see a pretty push down. Now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a waiting game. The 5 is in an uptrend currently, but we have the higher time frames with us still, so should not be a problem at all. Should we get a two W's here to end Friday and to start the weekend off on a good note? All right, back in profit on AUDUSD. Look at that, dude. Dude, the comp is different, man. The comp is so different, man. It's such a, dude. It's such a fucking advantage, bro. Like what? It's such a fucking crazy advantage. It's not even funny. Like what the fuck is this shit, bro? Like what is this shit? Honestly, like how did I fucking come up with this shit, man? Like sometimes I'll look at it and I'm like, what the fuck, dude? Like it tapped it like perfectly. Like look at this. It's genuinely mind blowing. It's genuinely mind blowing. What the fuck? This play, this strategy. No drawdown. It tapped it perfectly. It's like almost like the market almost follows it. Insane. And every day I get amazed. Are you not referring to the buy entry where there's a 5-minute candle without upper wick? Not sure what you mean by that. All right, 15 flipped and it's coming down nicely. 30 also coming down nicely. Currently up on the funded account, currently up 2.1%. Thinking of just closing here and be happy with the profits and just, you know, just be happy with the 2% for the day. Let's see what the DXY is doing. Okay, DXY is pumping. This is good. This is good. Oh, we could hold. DXY is pumping. Let's see if we can get a strong 5-minute closure. Bearish 5-minute closure. Unfortunately, we're not breaking structure on the 5 minutes, so the ideal would be closure below here. Closure below 0.61164111. That would be ideal. All right. Oh my days. Coming down heavy here, guys. All right, damn, almost hitting TP here. Wow, what a fucking Friday, guys. This is what we do, chat. This is when we have a no-wick playbook. I hop on stream, I talk shit, I cash positions like these, and we're done. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm gonna just close these positions. Boom, boom. Be happy with the profit. I'm up 2.3% today. In a few minutes. Yeah, that's it for me today, chat. Thank you so much. Congratulations to anybody that caught the positions with me. It's too fucking easy when you have the playbook. Yeah. Great Friday. Good start to the weekend. Now you can enjoy the weekend in peace, knowing that you did your work, knowing that you had a good trading, you had a good end to the week, trading week. Beautiful. Beautiful fucking fool. All right, boys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I'm gonna do something else now. I already made my money for today. Hopefully you guys did too. Remember, if you guys want to learn how to do this, get the playbook, link in bio, or you can also get a funded account on Next Level Funded. Also, there's a free bootcamp on my YouTube channel. But use code BD35 to get a 35% off your Next Level Funded account. Anyways, boys, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next stream. All right, peace out, everybody.